Dear students, today we are going to conduct an experiment on the topic galvanometer resistance. Means in this topic we have an aim, that is to determine the resistance of the galvanometer by half deflection method and hence figure of merit. क्या निकालना बेटा इसका? Figure of merit. So first of all, what are the operators that we have? Operators कौन कौन से हैं? Battery eliminator, resistance box or high resistance box. Either resistance box or high resistance box. Shunt resistance box means small resistance box. Galvanometer, one-way key, connecting wires, and a sandpaper. So now we will talk about theory. What theory? Where is the pen? As we know that galvanometer is a device. What is the work of galvanometer? Galvanometer is the device which is used to detect the small amount of current. Galvanometer detects small amount of current. In this experiment, first of all, we have to on the battery eliminator. Means as the current flows into galvanometer, then we have to plug out the key from this. Now we will notice the deflection in the galvanometer. Then for same experiment, we have to insert the key into the shunt resistance. As the shunt resistance will be in work, then we will find out the half deflection. Means in first case, suppose we have a theta deflection. Now we are going to start the experiment. Is it clear to all of you? Yes, okay. Please focus on this. All you have to connect the positive end of the battery eliminator, or if you have battery then battery, to a key, then to a galvanometer. First end of galvanometer is positive terminal of the galvanometer. Then this is connected to a high resistance box, and then another end of the high resistance is to be connected with the negative terminal of the battery. Now for lower part we have to connect the shunt resistance box into the parallel with the galvanometer along with the key. हमें क्या करना है बेटा? एक shunt resistance box को key के साथ इस galvanometer के parallel में connect करना है. Clear है ना? सबसे पहले हम लोग insert करते हैं. First of all we have to insert the key or only the high resistance box will work. Clear है ना? मैंने यहाँ पे की को प्लग किया है. मीन्स आपका जो हाई रेजिस्टेंस बॉक्स है वो वर्क में आ जाएगा. आपको क्या करना है? डिफ्लेक्शन से बचने के लिए, इतना ज़्यादा डिफ्लेक्शन हाई होता है कि जो आपकी गैल्वेनोमीटर है इसका पॉइंटर ब्रेक कर सकता है. टू प्रिवेंट फ्रॉम दिस यू हैव टू प्लग आउट वन की इनिशियली बिफोर कंडक्टिंग द एक्सपेरिमेंट. क्लियर है ना? आपको एक्सपेरिमेंट करने से पहले की को बाहर निकाल लेना. नो ऑन द स्विच. एज यू कैन सी द डिफ्लेक्शन इज मच मोर देन द 30. ये 30 से बहुत ज़्यादा है. अब हम क्या करेंगे? की और निकालेंगे. स्टिल वी डिडंट गेट द डिफ्लेक्शन बिलो 30. क्या डिफ्लेक्शन 30 से कम है? 10 प्लीज कम दिस साइड. क्या डिफ्लेक्शन 30 से कम है? नो. नो. व्हाट इज द डिफ्लेक्शन इन द गैल्वेनोमीटर? यू हैव टू काउंट ऑल द डिजिट्स. प्लीज चेक. What is the deflection? 10, 20, and then what is the value? 28. What is the theta? Theta means deflection in the galvanometer. So what we get in this case? 4,000. So resistance in R 4,000. Resistance is 4,000. 4,000 resistance. How many deflections are there in 28? How many deflections we get? 28. Now off the switch. And now what we have to do? Insert the key K2. ये K1 से K1 for high resistance box, for low resistance box, or shunt resistance box. This is the key K2. Insert the key. And what you have to do? You have to note the reading. half of the first time में कितनी रीडिंग ली थी मैं? 28 थी ना? No. How much reading we have to get? Only 14. So we have to plug out the key so that we could get 14 deflection. Deflection कितना चाहिए हमें? 14. In first case theta we got 28. In this case we have to determine 14. On the switch, conduct the experiment. You can see the deflection. What is the deflection in this case? 10. Deflection 10. What we need? हमें कितना चाहिए? 14 चाहिए. 14 चाहिए. इधर कितना है? 10. What is the deflection? Without seeing, you are saying 9. How it can be 9? Look here. Good. What is the deflection? Akshita, tell me what is the deflection? 14 or more than 14? More than 14. 15, 16 means what we have to do? We have to insert one more key. Still it is more than 14. What is the deflection? Did we get 14? Look here. We got deflection 14. Means first case में आपको deflection कितना मिला था? जब हमने high resistance की बात की थी, then we got 28. कितना था? 28. In second case we got 14. Can you tell me the resistance? Resistance from the shunt resistance box? 50 and 20, which is equal to 70. And half deflection is 14. Now we have to calculate the value of galvanometer resistance G, which is equal to RS upon R minus S. Okay? Okay, now first of all we have to make calculation.